Namaskar. Now let's see about Ardha Titli and Poorna Titli. Contraindications, its benefits, and what happens inside our body when we do this asana. Firstly, people who have done surgery and people who suffer injury, they should seek medical advice and then they can practice this asana, because each surgery takes its own time for its recovery, and also each injury has its time to recover. Apart from these two things, people who suffer severe osteoarthritis of knee joint, they cannot able to flex and extend the knee joint. For them, they should avoid this asana. They need not to worry. We have special series for knee problem and osteoarthritis of knee. They can do that series and come out of that osteoarthritis problem by strengthening the ligaments and the muscles near that region. If people suffer injury to the groin region and severe chronic hip pain, they should avoid this Ardha Titli and Poorna Asana. Now let's come to the benefits of this asana. This asana is very much beneficial for people who suffer from tightness in their hip muscles. Once they did this asana, they can feel the hip muscles getting relaxed. It's a very good asana to loosen the tight joints of hip, and also it engages inner thigh muscles, hip muscles, and also lower back region. So these three areas, it brings fresh blood supply and nourishment and recharges these areas. And it activates the Svadhisthana chakra. It corrects the Svadhisthana chakra, meaning it cleanses and energizes the Svadhisthana chakra, which is responsible for a reproductive system and hormones related to reproduction, and also kidney, urinary bladder. So people suffering from problems or issues related to these organs, they can perform this asana. For example, people who suffer chronic kidney disease or irregular periods or infertility, sterility, they can very well do this asana, and very beneficial for erectile dysfunction. These all comes under one chakra known as Svadhisthana chakra. So it strengthens the Svadhisthana chakra. Do this asana regularly to see its benefits. When I take online or direct yoga sessions, before finishing the session, before going the savasana, resting pose, I give this asana, Poorna Titli and Ardha Titli. Once they complete Ardha Titli, I give Poorna Titli. After they do these two asanas, they will take a savasana and they will leave the yoga hall. While leaving the yoga hall itself, while they climb the stairs, while they put their legs in their two-wheeler or they move their legs itself, they will feel the freeness. Immediately they will feel the change. So I make them do this Ardha Titli and Poorna Titli before leaving. So the day fully they will feel till they move. When they move their lower limb, they feel the change. So this asana is also beneficial for going to advanced asanas. For example, for doing Padmasana, these Ardha Titli and Poorna Titli are the preliminary exercises or preliminary asanas. So these are the benefits of this asana, and these happens when we do this asana. So let's see how to do this asana. Thank you. This is base position, which is Prarambhik Sthiti. From here, we are going to do Ardha Titli. First, let's do in right side. So we have to concentrate on our right leg. Flex the right knee and keep the right feet in the left thigh region. Keep support of our left hands on our right toe and keep our right hand on the right knee joint. Slowly inhale and bring our knee upwards towards the chest area. Spine should be held erect. Exhale and push it downwards. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Do the movements without straining, synchronized with breathing pattern. This is 5. Then relax the knee joint and then do the same on the opposite leg. Now for Poorna Titli, flex both the knee joints and bring both soles of the feet together. With the help of our hands, catch hold of both the feet and bring the heel as near to the perineal region, as near to the hip area as possible. This is starting position. From here, slowly inhale and raise both the knee joint, exhale and bring it downwards. This is 1 round. 2, bring it upwards as possible and bring it downwards as down as possible. 2, just 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keeping spine straight in this pose is very important. We can also keep our hands on our knee joint and then do the same practice. 1, 2, 3. With the supports of our pants, we can little do exertion with our hands so that our knee joint can touch the floor. With a little practice, it can improve our flexibility in this second variation. 4, 5, 6, 7. The heel should not move away from our body. 8, 9, 10. After completing the practice, relax in seated position.